Welcome to DJMTV News Update for the week. I am Umar Latifa. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJMTV and also click on the notification bell for more superb videos.
My people, we dey greet una from our side, though we take dey talk the story, dey come meet una ear. Where we take dey entertain una every day, every minute, every second. As the tori dey hot, na so we dey knack am kpakan kpakan kpakan. Make e dey enter una, make e be like food wey sweet, wey dey cook well, wey dey come use better cold water abi cold drink take swallow. Una know how that kind thing dey be. Na so our story be. E dey balance for body well well. As una dey hear am, una dey happy as we dey give am. And we no go stop to dey give una the story because na wetin we come to do be that. We go give una the story undiluted. The matter wey dey ground na the matter of the Edo State governorship election wey dey come so. Una know say many katakata don follow this party wahala from APC to PDP. Na so different katakata na dey come. So for the matter now, the governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki Nogega, say don go PDP. E don confirm. They come even welcome am today for the Edo State chapter for Benin City. The turnout no be small. People come as if say na even the election that day na be him today. The way people take come, my brother, my sister, if you dey the other side, you go feel say you don lose. But we never see the story finish. People come to show their support. All former PDP members, they come complete. While people wey still follow the governor come from a former party, they still come. All come join together to talk say this time na him na be their choice, and they go make sure say they do everything wey they go fit do to make sure say na him come out as the next governor. The governor too come talk say he belle sweet am well well. Say as he come this party, him mind dey at peace. Say because he don read the constitution of the party back and front. He don read and he dey pleased, and he accept all the rules wey they give am as a member now. E no still end for them. Una know say the governor deputy follow am too. So the indirectly now, so PDP come talk say now too, as he follow am, they no go scatter them. They no go impose their own person for the governor to be deputy. They just want say make two of them continue the good work wey they don already start. Say they be good team. So now if the governor dey come out, a deputy Comrade Philip Shaibu go still follow am for back as a deputy. Na so something suppose be. You no suppose dey impose something for person. If this person say na this one I wan follow work, na e go take work. Na so e suppose be. E no come still end for there. The People's Democratic Party PDP come send the governor this evening waiver, in the sense that the waiver allow am to contest for the primary election for the party as a bona fide member. So the waiver now mean say he don dey inducted, he don become part of them, and he don be them. So anything wey dey happen for the party, he don become member for the party. E still make sure say as e dey comot, many ward chairman, many ward local government chairman also follow am. Inside the tori, some come out say not be all of them follow am o. The person of Mr. Stephen Oshawo say as the others go, not be all of them go. Say dey kampe, make una hear am from him mouth.
I, Stephen Oshawo, the water chairman, I'm here with my total executive, who we were inaugurated by year 2018. We are here to declare to the state and the whole nation that we are still in APC as an authentic Ward 10 executive. That is why we want the whole people to hear today to know we did not decap to any party. We are still in APC as a member of APC grassroots executive, member of Ward 10, Isako West. Thank you.
As that one talk him own story finish, say they still dey APC gidigba. say not be all of them comot, say there still be authentic member. The person of Mr. Victor Oshoke Koto say na lie, say in na part of Godwin Obaseki plan to make sure say e rubbish the people's the APC, sorry, say na their plan to make sure say the party scatter, say people no know the plan of the governor. Na the person of the governor publicity officer Koto say dem don scatter the party finish, dem wan come put am for governor wey don comot leave dem for the party. Say dem don scatter the party with their hand when dem know say na their former national chairman na scatter the party for dem. Make una hear dem talk.
Good evening, Shehu. First of all, I want to correct an impression. Mr. Oshawo is not a member of APC. He is neither a member of Ward 10 APC, nor is he an executive member. Remember, he was suspended even before the purported suspension of Adams Oshomole. He was removed as chairman of Ward 10. I'm from Ward 10, incidentally. Oshawo is not a member of APC Ward 10. He is in PDP, but he's being used by Shaibu and Godwin Obaseki for just the purpose he's coming on television today. Can I ask a question? Why is it that it is only Ward 10, Isako West Local Government Chairman, purported chairman, that is coming on TV to say he has not moved with Obaseki? Why have all the other 192 ward chairmen, if truly is a ward chairman, why have they not all come on TV to say they have either moved or not moved Obaseki? It shows the world what Obaseki is doing. He's using Oshawo for a purpose. And Oshawo is not a member of APC, nor is he a member of an executive member. The Ward 10 executive are intact. I know them.
Now, Mr. Victor Oshoke, they talk say Mr. Ashao say na Godwin dey use am. He forget say na the same Ashao statement na the court take remove Oshomole comot for APC position. So if we dey talk say this same Ashao no be member of APC, neither say he na chairman for Esako Ward 10, then why court go come use the statement take validate wetin they take use as evidence take comot Oshomole as APC chairman? E go to show say even despite say that they lose, they still dey find way to take point accusing figure back to the governor, say na the governor dey instigate the wuru and the crisis inside their party. But we no go stop there. We, you know, say today we ready for una, and we want make sure say una get the news, una get the information straight. So yeah, una go still listen to another person, which is the person of the governor, public officer, relation officer, when he talk your own opinion concerning this matter.
Fortunate that at this stage they still point accusing fingers at the governor and his deputy, who are now PDP members. It shows how disorganized Oshomole made APC to be. Oshoke, who is a domestic staff of Oshomole, appears not to even understand the realities on ground. The Court of Appeal, it was on the strength of that suspension that the Court of Appeal declared that Oshomole is not just a member of the party, but he cannot continue as national chairman and all his privileges withdrawn. So he's still living in the past. You know, the problem created by Oshomole made the APC to lose 8 states. And unfortunately, Edo State was already in line. But the governor had to leave because Edo people prevailed the governor to leave the APC because the funny part of it, you disqualify a sitting governor. I mean, that was the height of impunity. So it was on the strength of that the governor had to leave the party because it was clear Oshomole had a script. And until these issues are resolved, APC will continue to have this kind of crisis and more states will go down. I wonder how long they will be. It's quite unfortunate that one man has created a crisis that has dropped the winning chances of APC in future elections.
So una don hear the tori, as this side they accuse this side, and so the other side they accuse. For more tori to come, make una stay click, una dey listen to our news. Make una not forget to drop una comment as una take see the news of today, and make una dey press the like button, make we dey encouraged to do more. Una do well. Thank you. We wan also thank all those wey dey message us for inbox, wey dey reach us to make sure say dem get more information and also to pass more information. We dey get una tori even as e be so we get too many news to carry to una domot. We go still dey bring dem, make una stay on the dial. DJ NTV.